Okay, so welcome to today's class. So let's look at operating system software. Actually, we have discussed about this in the computer fundamental class, but just to recap, to refresh our memory, since this is actually the discussion of this module. Okay, so we said that the operating system softwares are the type of software that interpret the functions of hardware of computer. Like they help computer perform basic tasks like managing the memory of the computer, helping the computer to start up, and also overseeing other hardware activities and communications. So this is actually what operating system does. So when you actually try to explain the concept of operating system, this is actually it. Okay, so as it is now, without the operating system, all these devices will not be able to work together, but the operating system work as a mediator for all of them. Okay, the instructions are written. Also, these devices are also created to be able to communicate to a software. This is actually the entire concept. So without the operating system, you will not be able to connect your printer. You will not be able to communicate to your computer with your keyboard. Even the apps that you install, application softwares and all that, they cannot run on the system. So the work of the operating system is like it serves as an intermediary between all these components that actually put together, work together, and enable computer achieve what it does as a computer. So that is actually the basic task of operating system. Now, we mentioned about having different types of operating system like the Linux, Android. Actually, we didn't mention all this, but just know that basically there are different types of operating system. You probably will not work with any other one more than Mac OS and Windows. And even I'm trying to create this course, I'm also concerned about what operating system most people will be using. But I discovered that here in Africa, Nigeria, precisely, most people are comfortable with Windows operating system, maybe because it's relatively cheap. But the entire lessons and course, but the entire class in this module is going to be created with Windows operating system. So if you are running Mac OS and you're not able to follow through, just let me know and we're going to do something about that. Okay. So let me also quickly just like also an overview. I know we also discussed about different versions of Windows in fundamental class, but let's also have an overview before we can actually get into actually performing basic tasks with this window environment. Okay, so the early version of Windows operating system actually started with MS-DOS. Now this is actually how it looks like. Okay, very primitive stuff. Before you can operate in this kind of Windows operating system, you need to remember syntax. And trust me, if this is actually the view we have today, trust me, computer will not be this popular as it is today. But what happens in versions of operating system are just improvement, just like what they have like this. Someone thought, okay, we should have better view, and all thoughts went into process and programming instructions are written, and today we have better versions, something that is user friendly and all that. But when you track the growth of Windows operating system by Microsoft, it started actually with older version like Windows 1.0, I think, then also Windows 3.0 are there, have Windows 98 and other versions. But see, also we have Windows XP. XP was one of the popular Windows. It lasted for long. Also we have Vista. Vista didn't make actually that way, but Windows 7 was also very popular. We also have Windows 8. Windows 8 didn't make any wave. I think Microsoft actually didn't get it right the way they wanted with Windows 8. So they went into action to produce Windows 8, which actually is also very popular, and also Windows 10. So you might be watching this video, there might be a new version of Windows and all that, but just know that what will happen in each of these windows is that probably new features is going to be added. It will have a better look, better designs and all that, but some of the basic tasks, some of the basic things that we're going to be going through is definitely going to be the same, so you can actually navigate. So even though right now in this class I'm going to be walking you through all the steps and action step with Windows 8.1, But if you're also using Windows 8 and also using Windows 10, you can actually comprehend, you can follow through everything I'm going to be walking you and still get everything right. Even Windows 7, the interface is kind of a little bit different, but still yet you can still follow through on some of the things that we are going to be going through and still get things right. Okay, so basically that is just it about Windows operating system. Basically this video I just wanted to refresh your memory about what operating systems are, the different types of operating system that are out there, and also the different versions of operating system you can find in the Microsoft operating system list. Okay, so basically that is it for this video. In the next video we are going to be looking at how to use your keyboard. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.